the secret to restoring strong erections naturally, a proven solution. Have you ever wondered if nature holds the key to solving one of the most intimate challenges men face? Imagine rediscovering confidence, vitality, and strength, all from a simple yet powerful natural remedy. Erectile dysfunction affects millions of men worldwide, yet it remains a topic many shy away from. But what if there was a natural, effective solution that didn't require expensive medications or invasive treatments? In today's video, we're diving into a time-tested remedy involving an everyday spice you may already have in your kitchen: cloves. Why cloves? The science behind the spice. Cloves are much more than a flavor enhancer in your favorite dishes. They are packed with compounds that have been scientifically shown to support sexual health. But how exactly do they work? Cloves are rich in eugenol, a compound with potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Research published in the Journal of Ethnopharmacology highlights that eugenol improves blood flow by relaxing blood vessels. This enhanced circulation is vital for strong erections. Poor blood flow is a common cause of erectile dysfunction, and clove extract could be the natural boost your body needs. Additionally, cloves contain trace minerals like zinc and manganese. Zinc, in particular, is crucial for testosterone production. Studies have linked zinc deficiencies to reduced libido and sexual performance. Could cloves be the natural testosterone booster you've been looking for? A simple yet powerful remedy. The preparation is straightforward, making it an accessible solution for many. Here's the process. 1. Take 3 tablespoons of cloves. 2. Boil them in water for 15 minutes. 3. Strain the mixture and allow it to cool. 4. Drink a teacup of this clove extract once daily for 3 days. This remedy works by targeting the root causes of ED, impaired blood flow and low testosterone. By addressing these issues, the extract helps restore your body's natural ability to achieve and maintain a strong erection. The question you're likely asking, does this really work? Skepticism is natural. After all, if such a simple solution exists, why isn't everyone using it? The truth is that natural remedies often get overlooked in favor of modern medications. However, the effectiveness of cloves has been validated in both traditional medicine and emerging scientific studies. In many cultures, cloves have been used for centuries as an aphrodisiac. Studies conducted in regions where cloves are part of traditional medicine show their consistent benefits for male sexual health. Furthermore, research from the International Journal of Impotence Research has shown that antioxidants in cloves combat oxidative stress, a key factor in erectile dysfunction. Are there any side effects? For most people, cloves are safe when consumed in moderate amounts. However, it's always wise to consult a healthcare provider before starting any new remedy, especially if you're on medications or have underlying health conditions. High doses of cloves can sometimes cause gastrointestinal discomfort or allergic reactions, though these instances are rare. A holistic approach to sexual health. While cloves are a remarkable remedy, they work best as part of a holistic approach to health. Ask yourself, are you giving your body what it needs to function optimally? Here are some additional tips to enhance your results. Diet. Focus on foods rich in antioxidants, like berries and leafy greens. Exercise. Engage in activities that boost circulation, such as cardiovascular exercises and strength training. Stress management. Chronic stress can lower testosterone levels and impair performance. Practice relaxation techniques like meditation or yoga. By combining the clove remedy with these healthy habits, you're setting yourself up for lasting success. Conclusion: unlock the power of nature. Nature has a way of surprising us with its healing potential. This simple clove remedy is a testament to how powerful natural solutions can be when we trust them and use them correctly. Why rely solely on synthetic medications when nature offers such incredible alternatives? So, are you ready to try this simple, science-backed remedy? Let us know your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, don't keep this secret to yourself. Hit that like button to support this channel. Don't forget to subscribe for more natural health tips, and share this video with someone who might benefit from it. Together, let's empower more people to embrace natural remedies and achieve their best health. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.